All right, son. Go on and run us through it, man.
First things first. First thing I'm gonna do is some good old pancit bihon. So we got the noodles, the pancit noodles.
Check that out. Pancit noodles. Okay. What else we got, man?
And for the pancets, I'm gonna add some shrimp.
Got some shrimp that he got marinated.
Some pork belly that I got marinated.
Pork belly. Ooh.
And sweet soy sauce.
Oh, here we come with them sauces, boy. Go ahead. Keep it pushing.
Yeah, sweet soy sauce. And vegetables, some regular shredded carrots, and some cabbage.
Okay. All
and,
right.
And all ingredients was bought at Seafood City.
Except for the carrots, you got those food for us.
Yeah.
Best. All right. And what else, man? Because you got something else over there. I'm seeing something over there.
This is for the pork adobo.
Pork adobo. Pork belly adobo. Am I right?
This is a 50-50 combination of pork belly and pork shoulder.
Nasty. Go ahead.
And for some garlic that I already chopped up. So
okay.
Garlic. And we use both the mushroom dark and the sweet.
Okay. Soonly, and then this one, whatever that says. Both of these are very good. So if any you're in your Asian markets and you see these particular brands, grab it.
Yeah. And all pork adobo has some vinegar.
And is that them bay leaves back there?
Yeah, and baby.
Can't forget that bay leaf, of course. All right, so I'm gonna let this boy get started. And let me take that back. This dude's about to be 21. I'm gonna let this man get started so he can go ahead and get it cracking, and then I'm gonna be back periodically showing his progression. All right, man, you got some oil heated up. Go ahead, what you got going?
Some grapeseed oil. Another good oil to use, grapeseed. It's heated up. So we got the pork belly, pork shoulder mixture. We're just gonna dump it in like so.
Okay. And that's a good clean mix. Boy, that'll make a bomb sausage. And I don't know what you got to season with, but it smells amazing.
Yeah, season it with some garlic powder, onion powder, and black pepper, and that's pretty much it. And the soy sauce and stuff to bring all together. Now, for this, just want some good char on it. You don't need to cook it all the way because you're gonna braise it for a long period of time. That's how pork adobo is made. You braise it for a long period of time. So as you can see, it's getting color quickly. Just gonna let it go for another 5 minutes.
Okay. Now that smells good. All right, man. So you got a little brownage on there. What's next?
There's the garlic and the bay leaf. That's just another that cook. Or only a little bit. You don't need to be balanced up just to get the garlic soft. So put that. Mix it around a little bit.
Okay.
So the garlic quickly get brown. Bay leaf in there. Make sure that gets passed around.
I'm telling you, the smell of that bay leaf up in there, boy.
Alright, like that.
We got
the 50-50 mixture of the mushroom dark and the sweet soy sauce. So put that in there.
Oh, look at it. Color it up.
Along with the vinegar. Mix that around.
Woo. Well, if YouTube came up with smell of YouTube, man, it'd be some bad stuff you'd be smelling, I'm pretty sure. But this right here, that ain't no joke.
Yeah, but then it'll quickly bring up to a boil again. So if that bring up to a boil, then we add the water as soon as it goes full boil. Just a few seconds.
Okay. It came up pretty quick.
Add the water. Got 2 cups just to be prepared. And then we bring this up to a boil again, and then we turn it to a simmer.
So you got the wok heated. That bad boy is steaming too. Go ahead. What you got going now, man?
Of course, with the rapeseed oil, pork belly for the pancit.
More pork belly. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Don't take that comment differently. I said that with glee.
There's nothing wrong with pork belly.
You know, just take a break from it every now and then, because you're gonna get the runs.
Of course.
All right, man. So that looked good, man. What was that season?
It was seasoned with 1 soy sauces, just soy sauce, garlic powder, and white pepper. And the shrimp is basically the same thing, but with onion powder. That's pretty much it.
Onion powder, okay. I mean, simple seasons, and that smells, man, that smells really good. You pulled the pork belly, and there it is. It looks good. I just want to like I made some seeds, just start popping these bad boys. All right, man. So what you got next?
The shrimp. And the shrimp next.
Shrimp.
So in goes the shrimp.
Okay. We got some scrimp. That ain't gonna take long.
Yeah, no. This will not take long. And we do a lime juice because I didn't have any calamansi juice, which is traditional in Filipino cooking. So you can substitute the lime juice, the same thing. Same thing.
No, it's 2 different names.
Yeah, but calamansi is like a lime, but like more sour.
What's next?
And next is the final steps. Green cabbage. You have to leave it like this because being pancit before, the vegetables really stand out. So the cabbage.
I'm really having a hard time trying to get the cap off this soy sauce.
You just touch your fingernails through. It's like playing a game of Saw. That.
Got that cabbage going.
Some carrots.
Okay. That's all you, man. Go ahead and take over while I try to get this soy sauce bottle open.
Good luck. Cabbage, carrots. Black pepper.
Okay. Fresh cracked black pepper.
Like so. Heat that a little bit.
Okay.
Now, it's a pancit noodles.
Pancit noodles.
My favorite.
Yes.
Chowder. Everything. My favorite.
That is definitely a fan favorite. So you got them noodles in there. How much time you got?
Turn on the heat. We got the sweet soy sauce and
Sweet soy sauce and what else?
the black soybean soy sauce. So this one, mixing in with this one.
There we go.
Yeah.
All right.
That one and this one.
Okay.
That.
And the color on that is just amazing.
The viscosity is pretty, good. And this one is just a little watery, which is going to help steam it too, because pancit steam.
Yeah, that looked like some legit pancit. Legit pancit. Shrimp, right there. Pork belly, cabbage, and carrots. And boy, I tell you, let's. I gotta get a sample of this while we're waiting on this pork belly adobo. So, good old pancit that my son made. So. I gotta try these noodles first because this looks legit. And it tastes legit. You definitely taste the difference in the sauces. So, I don't know if he came up with this on his own or followed the recipe or something, but it's definitely good. You can taste the fermentation of them sauces, and that is on point. So they go starting with the shrimp and the pork belly. This adobo is done. Pork belly and pork shoulder. That looks amazing. That's definitely real tender. And it's time for me to look at that. That just broke through that fat right there. It's time for me to sample this. Okay, so let's do this pork belly and pork shoulder adobo. Big old piece of pork belly right there. You see that fat on there. And it's like falling apart. Put some more of them pancit noodles in here. Just so this won't be a bowl full of juice. Some of the shoulder. Pork shoulder. Yeah. I'm gonna taste the juice with that pancit noodles. When you eat something like this, you gotta eat it in sections. So now we're gonna go back to the pork belly. I mean, you know, if the pancit noodle wanna come along, he could come to the party. It's okay. I ain't discriminating. So this is with the fat. I just melted. All right, well, hey, this is a part 2 of my son Tyrell cooking dinner. And I'm telling you right now, it just keep getting better and better. So hopefully we'll see a part 3. I don't know what it's gonna be, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be something interesting. All right, appreciate y'all checking this out. Checking out the first episode with my boy. That means a lot to both of us. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. You know, let people know what's up, and tell them to let people know what's up. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. Check me out on Instagram. Keenan Just Felt Like Cooking. And check out Keenan Special Editions on IGTV. All right, y'all be cool out there. One.